Ay, nari ka na nari eh. Good morning everyone. So today's video I'm gonna take you to my day here, and today is Sunday. And it's my rest day today, so I'm gonna take you to whatever I am doing right now. Today's fine weather, as you can see. Beautiful weather, isn't it? I woke up a few minutes ago and just surfed through the internet, connecting to whatever on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I haven't been posting a lot lately. And this is my first video ever since I had a break. Time check. Didn't focus. It's past 8 now, and there's a free breakfast in the hotel today, so I think I'm gonna hop into that. And even though I still have some stuff in my fridge that can't be eaten by breakfast, but I like to take one because I just want to show you the breakfast here in the hotel. So yeah. Never felt so awkward in my life. I don't even know how to vlog anymore. So, this is a day in my life, and a rest day in Grand Rapids, Michigan. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Okay. Tukan ko na. So, manakog ka ng breakfast and manakog bangla. So, in case you're wondering, sa itong purpose sa katong bottle nga akong gisudlan yan ha? Mato siya akong kabo. Kabo sa pag-ilo kay di o ganahan mangilo og tisyo. Kaluod lang. Muna nga tubig is life. Nya wala mo ikabo diri sa muna nga. I just recycled a water bottle that I got during my first day here in Residence Inn. So today is Sunday. My plan for today is to wash my clothes. Tinong ba mo vlog? Again, so today's agenda would be, first is I'm gonna do the laundry and probably cook for lunch and dinner probably later, and amot lang sa pakong waton, so probably I think magtala ako sa lida sa Netflix and maligo sa pool. Depende, so probably matulog rin yapon ko. Let's see sa kung waton diri karon taon. Anyway, so if you're wondering ano na ako dito sa Grand Rapids, Michigan, and you're new to my channel, so I'm here for business, I'm here for my work, and I'll be here for 2 months, and today's and this week's gonna be my 3rd week already, and I haven't been posting vlog in a month or 2, probably in a month. So this is my welcome back vlog. Welcome back. I am so active in IG stories, so if you guys want to see my day-to-day live here in the States. So just check out my IG stories and probably makakita mo na ako ngadto nga mag-concert lang o kalit kay syempre uba ko lingaw kuya ako raw sa dire asa na ko makauban sa trabaho nasa Atlanta nasa laing lugar ako raw sa dire sa Grand Rapids, Michigan. Alright. Let's take our time. Enough with the talking, let's keep it going. Let's sing it too. Enough with the talking, and let's proceed to our hashtag Titoing here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I should be back after 28 minutes. Alright. Mother's told me and she's told me I make girls like you. She also told me stay away, you never know what they'll do. Later. Okay, so I started heating up my food. So actually, this was last night's dinner. So our meal for today is isda. It's fish. It's inuunan. Okay, so lunchtime maniudto ta. So actually this is not magin niya kung dili ni siya mao kung dining table gyud. So nakarang ato kung dining table gyud, pero I'm watching Netflix. So my laptop is here, right over here, and nope. And I want to check out Netflix while eating. So, just here. Nindot po na ko ang view dire. Nindot po ang lighting dire. O niya, mga unta. Let's eat! Tarakimasu! Kanak ko na sa unti yan, pero niyan ako manghugas. Kaya punan ako Dragon Prince. Alright! Let's see if I still got it. So actually, I'm no expert of cooking. Talaman ko sa Google, kaya naman ko recipe, #panlasangpinoy.com. In case you're wondering, mao ni kataka ang sibuyas diri sa Kuan States, no? Dako kayo. So, as you can see, katunga na lang siya, kaya ako siya slice. Okay, gamay ron ako kinahanglan sa meal. Wow! Grabe! Ding, 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 ding. Finally, dinner time. Oh, kalami. So, akong ibalinog ka na yung gamay nga sudlanan kay ang sobra kay para ugma ito sa buntag. So, dinner time and Netflix time. In fairness, labi akong giluto. So, I'm probably gonna end this vlog today right here, right now, because after this one, I'm just gonna wash the dishes. I'm just gonna wash the dishes, and I'm just gonna continue watching the Dragon Prince in Netflix, and just gonna sleep, because tomorrow's gonna be another day for work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope nga wala ra mo na unsa diha o nabalakas ako ang state dire. I think okay ra man siguro ko dire. Okay ra man siguro ko. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Sure, peace and love.